Hello everyone, today we are going to learn why text not mirror in AutoCAD. For example, I will create new drawing, and in here we create text with a text command, and I will set the name into AutoCAD. Now if we mirror this text object, use a mirror command, select the object, select a mirror to the bottom, the text not mirrored. So if you want to mirror this text, you can change text mirrors into 1 for value. You can tap mirror text command, press enter, and set value into 1. Now if we mirror this text objects, it will be automatically mirror the object like this. You also can mirror in a vertical point. It's mirror, so you can change again into mirror text command into 0, and the text cannot be mirrored. Can mirror again in it, and it will be not mirror. Okay, that's it, how to mirror text in AutoCAD. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.